Grabe naman sigaw mo. Boog! Yes?
Stop.
Alin? Bakit?
Kasi marunong na ako dyan eh. Kasi malaki na ako.
Dyan, mag-jump-jump ka dyan, oh, video ko. Para makita ni tatay. Doon, anak. Go! Ready, go! Yung kamay mo.
Nanay, gusto ko pa ng tubig. Gusto yung tubig.
Meron pa. Rika! Water! Come here. Ayun, pawis mo. Nay-nay.
At 5:10 p.m. sa mga event area. Mountain Drive,
Saan punta mo na eh? Slide na na eh. Slide na. Video ko kay video ka. Yeah! Uy, wait lang! Nag-concert. Doon na lang anak, oh. Doon yung water mo eh. Ha? Ilalagay ko, isasalin ko.
So please come over here at our area. Kids at the bottom area, trampoline, racetrack, Narikiri and Charlie Corner. Stand on your high feet. Come on, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. For those who want to join, come over here. Okay, arms. Dami, wow. Okay, so before we start, let me introduce to you my team. I'm Ate Angel and I will be your host for this afternoon together with my Hi! Okay, so are you having fun, kids? Yes, of course. Alright, so warm up muna tayo. Hands up. Everybody hands up. Shake your hands. Shake, 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 shake. Arm side. Shake, 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 and jump. Let's jump, 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 jump. Okay, very good. Now, sit down tayo sa floor, kids. Sa floor po muna. Kasi itidemo muna ni Ate Sheena yung ating gagawin for today. Okay, so ang ating arts and crafts for this afternoon is a rainbow sunflower. Okay. going to make our own rainbow sunflower using these materials. So we have here a cut-out materials, circle and paper strip like this. And of course, we have here, what is this? Paper straw. This is paper straw. Okay, so this one, ano? Glue. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin is i-glue natin yung circle and then i-attach natin tong paper strip. Pero ipo-fold natin siya, okay? Fold it. Paganyan po. Ganyan ang lagay niya, ha? Yan. Tapos, lalagyan ulit natin ng glue yung other circle and i-attach natin yung paper straw. And then, ito po yung ating finished product. Okay, so are you excited, kids? Okay, so stand up. Move tayo sa tables and chairs. Doon tayo si Tangka, kids. Your turn, ha? Everybody, hands on your lap first. Yeah. Yan, okay. Wait, si Ate Tina ibigay yung materials mo. Okay, so this is your sample product kit. Alright, this po bebe. Hands on your lap. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's put some papers para gawin yung paper stick. Okay.
I know, but it's so sticky. That's what makes it hard. I don't know, it's sort of like...
Ayun yung sample na ko.
Alam ko na, Nay.
Ay! Sorry naman.
I was about to say something.
Sa ating mga small kids, parents and guardians.
Ilagay mo dyan yung... Ilagay mo dyan para mag-video. Bebe, ayun o. Kaya kalalabasan niya, baby. Dikit, lagyan mo dito, Mia, o. Mia.
What happened?
Para mabilis.
Sticky enough.
Lagay mo na. Tulungan mo siya eh. Lagay mo dito. Lagay mo to. Lagay mo dito. Lagay mo dyan. Lagyan mo ng...
Space. Kailangan ng space. It's okay. We can do it whatever we want.
Tama na. I-fold.
You have to follow the instructions.
For the other kids, ha? Meron pa si ating trivia question to all of you. Yes, po.
What do you mean, yeah, baby? Yeah, maybe. Oh, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Stop! I don't know how to talk anymore. This dumb English is getting moved by my mind. It's starting to get Tagalog.
Is it all right,
I speak Tagalog and English.
ha?
Wait, sir. I need more sticky glue. Stop it.
Lagyan mo dito.
Stop it.
Lagyan mo ng glue.
You're stopping it.
Ilagay natin.
Ano, need help?
Wow, good job po, bebe.
Ang sarap na.
Who knows the parts of sunflower? Sinong nakakaalam? In English po. Yes, very good. This one, sinong may alam nito? Yung tangkay niya. Stem. And lastly, sinong nakakaalam? Very good, Mrs. Ruth. Good job. So that's the end of our topic for today. So are you done, kids? Okay, so take your time. Bagay pa tapos na. Okay, so once you've done, stand up na po yung mga tapos na. Proceed in front po. Okay, let's proceed here in front. Very good. Parents and guardians, please ready your camera. Dito lang po tayo sa harapan ng kids. Ay, kasan yung pang cover niya? Dito mo na lang sa ating sinigo. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, kids do na! Hooray! One more time! In 3, 2, 1, kids do na! Hooray! So, please raise your sunflower and look at the cameras in front of you. Shout louder, okay? In 3, 2, 1, kids do na! Hooray! Good job! Did you enjoy, kids? Okay, one last question. Sino gusto mag-birthday dito sa Kizuna? Raise your hand. Yes, of course, lahat. So, good news, kids, parents, and guardians. We have a birthday package po. Thank you, kids, for joining. See you next time. Enjoy the play area. Thank you po.
Bigyan mo yung kay ate ko.
Find the missing color. The missing color put to the missing pattern.